Hello, my name is Bonnie Brown, CCIM with Affinity Property Management. I'm honored to be invited to attend the 25th Los Angeles CCIM Installation Luncheon.
Hi, my name is Matthew Godman. I'm a broker over at Cushman & Wakefield and a proud recipient of the Carmela Ma Endowment today at the 25th installation for CCIM here in Los Angeles at Lowry's.
Hi, my name is Gary Martinez, commercial real estate broker with Asheville Associates. I just want to congratulate the Los Angeles chapter for everything that you guys are doing. You guys are doing a phenomenal job. I'm very proud to be associated and part of the organization as well.
Lowry's has offered a fantastic venue for this event, and the body of CCIM members and leaderships are amazing.
You are a true inspiration to all of the members of our community, commercial real estate community, and thank you so much for everything that you do. You truly are helping us all become more professional and more profitable in our business.
Had a great and pleasurable time meeting everybody, networking, learning, and meeting the diverse board membership that's taking over for 2022.
The speakers has touched the topics on point. I look forward to attending future events.
You're really bringing everyone together so we can help learn about each other's business, so everyone can help grow each other's business. So thank you so much for everything you do. I wish you the greatest success in 2022 and beyond. And thank you for all your support, and I'm here to support you as well.
And I also want to reciprocate the invitation as the 2022 President for Southern California CCIM chapter. Please come join us, attend our events and activities, and collaborate and network for professional and business opportunities.
Look forward to all the events coming up and look forward to meeting you in the future.
Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.